Hey everyone, okay, so today I'm going to show you how I like to apply highlighter. This is not your standard way. So first of all, yes or no on the beard? Because I had the edges here disconnected. Yes, no, let me know. Okay, so I don't enjoy a sharp highlight. I don't enjoy sharp edges generally anywhere on the face. So I prefer things to all kind of mesh into one. So this is how I like to do it, and I'll show two different versions. Both look very, very similar, but there is a subtlety in each of them. So the first way is to apply the highlighter first. And so I'm just going to pick from a palette that I have here. So it's Anastasia highlighters I'm going to be using and NARS blushes. So I'm going to take a little bit of highlighter and I'm going to use it on my brush because it makes sense. Link in the description. So the first way I like to apply it is I like to apply it where I'm going to apply blusher. So for me that's going to be here. So this is where I'm applying the highlighter, to that area here. So that's the first way to apply it. I'm actually going to do the same on the other side and you'll see why in a second. So again, actually I've got a mirror here. Hello. So this is where I'm going to apply the highlighter. Okay. So the first way is I then like to apply blusher over the highlighter. So that in this side, we've got the highlighter coming through the skin, if that makes sense. I'm going to soften edges in a second. So that the highlighter is underneath the blush. So the highlighter is pushing through the blusher, and it just looks so pretty, and it's just a really pretty way of doing it. The other way to do it is so we've done a highlighter first, we're going to apply the blusher over it, and then we go back in with the highlighter over that. So you're getting the double whammy effect, so it's a lot stronger. Let me just soften things. So on this side, the highlighter is pushing through the blusher and the blusher lays on top. On that side, you've got the highlighter first, blusher, and then highlighter. And this way, you're never seeing a hard line of anything. You're not cutting the cheekbone with with highlighter, I'm so sorry, with highlighter. So you're not getting any angles, you're getting everything kind of pushing through the skin. And that's how I tend to prefer it, regardless of the face. Even though I spent a lot of time talking about contouring videos and things like that, they were always very well blended. There was nothing sharp left on the face, because I think, especially on a female face, I like the softness, I like the roundness of things. I like things to look, as I mentioned loads of times in videos, very girly, very kind of innocent and pretty and petal-like. So that tends to be how I prefer it. But that's how I tend to do highlighter, is a cloudburst effect, blusher, or the cloudburst effect and then more highlighter on it for those of you who like to really kind of sparkle and shine. But there you go, that's how I like to do it. So I believe the next video you'll see will be the makeup trends that I'd like to get rid of in 2019. And it's not the video you think it is. It is, I think, a wonderful video and a very important one. So I hope you like it. It should be up next week, next Friday, and it will be up for a full week. Thanks so much, and I'll see you soon. Bye-bye.